is the cereal one and the potato one with mozzarella
inside it.
And I'm gonna dip it. I don't even know what sauce this is.
I think that's a spicy one.
That's a
I'm
spicy
not
one.
eating spicy. I'm scared. ASMR. The sweetness. Definitely 10-10.
The cereal is so good.
What is it, Frosted Flakes? Motherfuckers just watching us munch.
Now we switched. I'm gonna try this sauce.
I ain't eating the spicy. Fuck that. Can you swear on your TikTok? Oh shit.
This is the regular one with sausage and cheese.
And sugar.
Oh.
Got sugar.
Wow. I want to get a good cheese bowl.
Nope. Where was it? Where'd that go?
I really like the cereal one. Oh.
I'm gonna try the normal. Shit. Where the fuck is she at?
On the bottom. Dripping.
I want the meat. I guess I'll just get this one. Guys, why I eat like that?